COVID-19 isolation. The new coronavirus that causes COVID-19 is highly infectious. It spreads easily when people get COVID-19, even when they have mild symptoms and do not feel sick. To prevent the spread of COVID-19, people who are infected with the new coronavirus must be in isolation. This means you have tested positive for the new coronavirus or you have COVID-19. During isolation, your movement is restricted. You must live separately, either in your home or at a special medical facility. This is to prevent you from infecting other people. You can isolate at home only when you can follow the rules of isolation and you have mild disease. You must isolate at a hospital facility if you can't isolate at home, or when you have moderate to severe disease. Know when and where to isolate when you have been infected with the new coronavirus. Learn about isolation to stay in charge of your health. Stop infection. Prevent COVID-19. Our health is in our hands.